S for scientifically and technically, H for highly reciprocal, A for advanced humanoid, L for language communicator, and U for uniquely designed. My creation name is Shalu, that is a humanoid robot. There are so many things which makes Shalu a unique machine. It is homemade, developed by a single person and using waste material. I'm not used anything like 3D printed body parts. I'm not utilized any big laboratories, and I'm not a robotics engineer. Myself Dinesh Patel. I'm a computer science teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya, IIT Bombay. In the year 2010, I was watching the film Robot, acted by the Rajinikanth ji. And that time I was thinking, is it possible that Chitti can come in our life? After a few years, when I saw the Sophia robot developed by Hanson Robotics, I found, yeah, it is possible. We can develop such type of robot in real life. I started my research work on this, and because I don't have any girl child, so I prefer to make a girl which represents the Indian girls and women. And I found that there are so many women having dupatta in her head, which is just a representation of respect towards the elders. I started my project in year 2017. Planning, coding and developing of body, it took my 3 years approximately to build up this prototype. Using waste materials, it was not my pre-planned thought. When I planned to make the robot, I searched for some robotics components as well as 3D printed body parts. Either it's not available near to me or it is very costly, which is beyond my catch. That time I realized what to do. If I'm stopping my job, my work, my passion, that I'm not going to accept. So I thought I will fulfill my work, I will continue my research using the waste materials, either which is available at my home or which is readily available at near market. Shalu is having multiple abilities. After meeting, she can recall you and she can greet you. She can identify so many objects around us. What object can you see?
I can identify one person, one laptop, and one cell phone.
Can answer many queries related to general knowledge, maths, science. For getting rupees 1200 after 2 years at the rate of 10% compounded interest, what amount should I deposit?
Principal amount rupees 991.
She can teach in classroom, she can ask the questions, she can take the interview of any person, she can judge your answer is correct or not. She can give the marks also. She can work as a receptionist at any offices. She can reply based on the pre-informed answers for related to the business, and not only verbal, she can email as well as SMS too. Shalu is having a capability to learn automatically. It is first prototype that requires everyday upgradation. Physical body parts can be developed at any time, can be changed at any time, but soul is important, what I am doing, and I am developing the software to make it better. My humanoid robot Shalu opens a new dimension for the other young brain minds who is future robotics engineers. I'm sure that every citizen of India who is passionate towards robotics can do it at their own home. We don't require any better infrastructure. We don't require any sophisticated laboratory to do such work. Search your passion, find your passion, and work with your passion. Nothing else will come into your step. So just move ahead, do your work with your passion, dedication, and interest.